Okay, hello YouTube. Today I am bringing you Toy Story toy review of Sheriff Woody. He's very awesome. If you pull the string,
yeah, partner, we gotta get this wagon train a-moving. Hey, howdy, hey.
and then if you do this,
Wait just a second. Something's missing. My hat!
and then you put it back on.
Well, hey, howdy, hey, I got my hat back.
And then I'll show you articulation. His head moves like that. And then his wrists move like this. And now I'll do a size comparison of.
Hey, my hat's gone. I can't go anywhere without my hat.
Okay, now for a size comparison.
Oh yeah, that's better. How do we look?
Okay. Here's Woody. Hold on. Just need to set this up. Here is the Toy Story Collection Mr. Potato Head. And this is Woody.
I think the wind just took my... Oh, no!
He's talking
my
a lot.
Gone. Okay, now that my hat's back, let's settle up
Okay,
for adventure.
and this is him compared to the... He's a lot taller.
A cowboy
Okay,
without his hat
sing.
is like a...
Bye-bye.
without a